Okay, sir.
Hello, my dear students. Myself, M.N. Bajantri, Assistant Professor of Commerce. As a HOD of Commerce, I heartily welcome you all for this virtual classes. Virtual means through WhatsApp, online classes, and using an electronic media. I personally appreciate for your decision for selecting our esteemed institution. In this group, there are 8 faculty members are there, including myself. Okay? Some of you people may have mobiles, may not have mobiles or net back or network problem. Okay? But recently you will have the offline classes. So all we are going to shortly we are going to overcome from this pandemic COVID-19. So it means maybe from October 1st 2020 we are going to conduct you offline classes as per the guidelines from the date to September to till today. Okay. Yes, in between this we are going to conduct you online classes. During this we will engage you people until this period. Offline classes starts means October 1st. So until then we are going to engage you in online classes. So I request all the students to take an active participation in this group and respond to the faculty positively. I hope you will do this. Okay. And one more thing, I would like to give some important instructions regarding to these online classes. Okay. Each day you will be engaged in learning. Remember, this is very important. Each day you will be engaged in learning activities by different subjects. Okay, each day, this is very important. Remember this one, because each day you will have the assignments, each day you will need to observe the videos, and each day you have to follow the rules and regulations which are given by the faculty members. Okay, and some important activities, these online classes activities include reading the textbook. Remember, that is very important, and completing the online assignments which is assigned by the respective class teacher or subject teacher. This is important. Then viewing the online assignments, viewing the online videos, and viewing the online video and textual messages. This is also important. Then participating in online discussion. So we will give you the instruction according to the sessions conducted by the each faculty member. These all are important instructions and you need to keep in mind one thing. And similarly, now I would like to go to the to introduce the CBS syllabus regarding to CBS. So now you people from the academic year 2020 and 21 onwards, you people are learning CBCS. So CBCS means choice based credit system. So in this entire CBCS new course structure, new syllabus according to the CBCS, you have totally 8 subjects. Remember, I will repeat that, totally 8 subjects. So business environment, financial accounting, then market behavior and cost analysis, basic English, then that is company law and administration, and basic English, basic Hindi, basic Kannada, and one compulsory subject, that is Indian Constitution. And similarly, in this from this particular academic year, you have two important subjects, that is practicals on skills developments. Remember the subject, new subject, that is practicals on skills development, and another one, extension co-curricular activities, that is ECA. That remember, extension co-curricular activities. So from the upcoming classes, I will explain each and everything regarding to this. This is my small video, and the people who are concerned who are in Kannada medium, ದಯಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇನು ಹೆದರಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಇನ್ ಎರಡು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಎರಡು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ದವರು, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ದವರು ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ 8 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಈ 8ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಪರಿಸರ ಅಥವಾ ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಹಾರದ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ, that is business environment, ವ್ಯವಹಾರದ ಪರಿಸರ. Remember, these subjects I am going to handle. Regarding to this, if you have any queries, you are free to ask any time. Remember, I will repeat this, regarding to the issue, regarding to the subject or any queries, if you have, you are free to ask. Okay, my number is 9886289326. I will repeat, 9886289326. You are free to call at any time. Okay, yes. And one more thing, one more important announcement, that is you need to observe the video keenly, because in the next video I will make the video regarding to my syllabus and my 5 chapters content. Okay, thank you.